the first Block 5 Falcon 9 is scheduled to launch the Bangabandhu 1 communications satellite for the government of Bangladesh today at 4:12 p.m. EDT 2012 GMT NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida. And the first stage of the two-stage rocket will attempt to land on a robotic drone ship off the coast of Florida shortly after takeoff. Block 5 presents a series of improvements that should increase the reliability and reuse of the rocket, said SpaceX officials. The first stage of Block 4 Falcon 9 is limited to 2 launches, but the first stage of Block 5 should be able to take off 10 times with only inspections between landing and launch and up to 100 times with some repairs, according to the company representatives. SpaceX has declared its desire to reuse the upper stage of the two-stage Falcon 9 at some point, but has not yet made a concerted attempt to do so. Block 5 was also designed to meet the strict transportation requirements of NASA's crew. SpaceX has a multi-million-dollar NASA contract to fly astronauts to and from the ISS International Space Station, and the company will do so using its Dragon capsule and Block 5 Falcon 9. The first flights of the crew using this system could arrive as early as this year, representatives of SpaceX said. Boeing also has a crew contract from NASA. The aerospace giant will fly astronauts from the agency to and from the ISS using a capsule called CST-100 Starliner and United Launch Alliance Atlas V rockets.